So in this video, we'll be looking at a problem which is based on Venn diagram. But first, I'll be brushing up some concepts based on Venn diagram. So look at this figure. We have two overlapping circles, A and B. Now how do you find out the area of this whole figure? Now we know that, let's just say that we know the area of circle A is OA. And the area of circle B is OB. Now, we'll have the overlapping region as X. To find out the area of this figure, we have to take this portion, which I'll be calling as small a. Capital A is this whole circle. Small a will be just this region excluding the overlapping region. So we'll have A plus, likewise here I'll be taking small b for this whole figure for the part of B without the overlapping region. So A plus B plus X. X will be the overlapping region. Now let's look at A and B alone. A and B alone comprises of the area of circle A minus X. So we have OA minus X. Likewise, B comprises of OB minus X. And finally we add this X. So we have OA minus X, OB minus X plus X. Now let's further break down this equation. I know that we can cancel these two out and we'll just have minus X. But I want to bring about a formula so that you can solve other problems based on Venn diagram, not only with two circles. So I'm trying to bring about a formula over here. So we have OA and OB, and those will be the area of circles minus these two X are the overlapping region, minus the overlapping region. Overlapping regions because we have two X's. It's the overlapping region of A and the overlapping region of B. So we can have it as all the overlapping regions. And finally, we add one overlapping region. So we subtract all of the overlapping regions of all the circles and then we add one overlapping region. So this will not have an S, it's just one overlapping region. So this is the formula for this Venn diagram. Now what about if we have three circles? Now that's what we'll be seeing in the problem which I show now. Let me just erase this. So look at this problem. There are three identical circles, each of an area of 120 cm square. The figure shown below comprises of the three circles partially overlapping. The area of the figure is 250 cm square. If region P is equal to 13 cm square, find the area of x1 plus x2 plus x3. Okay, so we have three circles over here and x1. Okay, I'll just draw this out so that you can view it more clearly. So we have three circles. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So this is x1, this will be x2, and this will be x3. Right in the middle of it, the overlapping region of all of these three circles is P. So P is in the center of all of the three circles. So this P is the overlapping region of all three of these circles. On the other hand, the overlapping region of circle A and B will be x1 plus p. The overlapping region of A and C will be x3 plus p. Okay, so now let's look at how to calculate the area of x1 plus x2 plus x3. They have given us the area of the figure, and that is 250 cm square. This formula is to find out the area of figure, right? So this is given 250 cm square. The area of the circles are also given, and that is 120 cm square. And all of the overlapping regions are x1 and p, x3 and p, x2 and p. So let's fill in this formula and see what we get. So the area of the circles will be 120 plus 120 plus 120. All the overlapping regions. Okay, here we have this overlapping region, and that is x1 plus p. We are supposed to subtract it. Also, we have to subtract the next overlapping region, and that is x2 plus p, and we have x3 plus p. So these are all of the overlapping regions. Why do we have three of them? Because we have three different overlapping regions. We have the overlapping regions of A and B, and that is x1 plus p, B and C, that is x2 plus p, and A and C, and that is x3 plus p. So I have subtracted all three of them. And finally we have to add the one overlapping region. Now this overlapping region in a three circle Venn diagram will be P. Previously, while explaining the concept, we had two circles. So all the overlapping regions was the same as one overlapping region. Both of it meant this part. But that's not the case here. This one overlapping region in a three circle Venn diagram will be this part, the part where all the three circles overlap. So we have to add P. And all of this will be equal to the area of the figure, which is given as 250 cm square. So we have 360 minus x1 minus p minus x2 minus p minus x3 minus p plus p equal to 250. Okay, now what is the value of p? The value of p is given in the question to be 13 cm square. The region P is equal to 13 cm square. Minus p minus x1 minus p minus x2 and minus p minus x3 plus p will be equal to 250. I'll be gathering all of these x1, x2 and x3, and we have minus 13 again. I'm sorry, this is supposed to be minus 13 again and plus 13. Minus 13 plus 13 equal to 250. Now all we have to do is solve this. It's very easy after this. Plus x3. These two will get cancelled. So we'll have minus 26 equal to 250. Let's bring this over to this side and bring x1 plus x2 plus x3 over to this side. Why? Because we want the area of x1 plus x2 plus x3. That is our goal. So we have it here, and let's just bring it over to that side. So we have 260 minus 250 because I brought it over to this side, and we have minus 26, and that is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3. Now this will give you 84. So 84 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3. So this is how you solve this problem. If you want more questions on this type or of the topic of Venn diagram, please subscribe to my channel or leave it in the comment section below. Thank you.